Hi, welcome along. I'm Daniel Berry from danielberryguitartutor.com, and in today's video we're going to be going through a great big #1 smash from 1970. This is I Hear You Knocking by Dave Edmunds and his band The Rock Pile. I do hope you enjoy it. I'm sure you will. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the intro, the verses, and the choruses. There's two different kinds of chorus in this one. It varies. So I'm going to timestamp the whole thing so you can skip between the sections you want to particularly learn the most. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar, and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So first off, we're going to play the intro. That's how to play the intro. It goes like this. Okay, so let me show you how that's done. So first off, we're going to bend, we're going to have our 3 fingers on the G string, and we're going to bend up until we're hitting the an F sharp note. So it's going to be, so we're going to start up like that, bent up, so until we achieve the F sharp note. And then we're going to let it down, and then back up to the F sharp note again. So it's going to go, and then that's hitting finally with our first finger hitting the 2nd fret of the E string. So down pick to give us the bend. So we've got, so we play it once and we get 3 notes. Down, yeah, 1, 2, 3. One more time. And then up pick on the 2nd fret of the E string. So all together. Got it? Right, so to start with, so it goes first off, then we move up, we put our first finger on the 1st and 2nd string of the E string and the B string on the 5th fret. And we're going to go, that's done by up picking on the E, and then we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the B string, play it, and then pull off, so we're left with our 1st finger on the 5th fret of the B string. So all together, and then we're going to slide up, which is sliding up with our 2nd finger from the 4th fret of the G string up to the 6th fret of the G string, and then playing our 1st finger on the 5th fret of the B string. So that's going to go, got it? So all together we've got, and then we move down to the 2nd position. So first off we got, and that's done all on the D string. So we're going to bend down first off with our 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and we're going to bend down, play it down, bend, and then normal tension, and then 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. So bend, normal tension, and then 1st finger, and then it repeats by bend and then twice on the 1st finger. So let me take you through that again. So from the beginning, so we got bend, normal, tension, 1st finger, and then repeat. Bend, 1, 2, and then B7. And then that's the intro. One more time. Right, so first off, it's worth covering the strumming pattern. Now, the strumming pattern is like a muted strum. It's just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But as we come down, we're going to bring that to a close with our edge of our, I call it the chop of the hand. So it's going to be, so we end up with like a chug sound. So as we come down, we kind of mute it. Don't mute it too savagely because you don't want to kill the note completely. But down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that is the strum pattern. Just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Focusing mostly on the top two push 3 strings. Okay, so the E string, A string, and the D string. Right, so next we're going to move on to the verse. Now the verse we're going to need, it's 4 bars of E, simple as that. And the E we're going to do is the thing I've just shown you. We're going to bar down with our first finger on the second fret and second fret of the A and the D string. So it's just a little press down, holding down both. And our third finger is literally going to be coming off and on and off and on of the 4th fret of the A string. Don't be tempted to press down on the 4th fret of the D string, only the 4th fret of the A string. And the strings we're going to play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, in that muted style that I just showed you, is predominantly the E and the A string. Like that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then we move into the chorus. Okay, so that's as simple as that. It's just 4 bars of the E position for the verses. The chorus, there's 2 kinds of chorus. So after verse 1, it's the first kind of chorus. After verse 2, it's still the first kind of chorus. The second variation of chorus doesn't happen until after, well, it happens during the guitar solo, which is pretty much the chorus as well. And it happens from then onwards after the chorus. So let me show you the first variation. You'll see what I mean. So first variation is in A. Now we're going to move up for this chorus to the A position. That's the 5th fret. We're going to have our first finger barring all 6 strings on the 5th fret, and we're going to have our third finger on the 7th fret of the A string. Okay, again, predominantly the first 2 strings, and the blues shuffle happens between our third finger there on the 7th fret and our little finger up there on the 9th fret. So that'll be the same thing. I hear you knocking, but you can't. Back to A again. Back to A, I hear you knocking. And then up to the 7th position. Okay, so we're just going to do the same thing we did, but we're going to move it up to the 7th position, which means putting your first finger on the 7th fret, third finger on the 9th fret, and the blues shuffly offy-onny bit happens between the 11th fret and the 9th fret of the A string. Remember what I said, only hit off and on the A string. Let's take you through that chorus one more time. This is chorus variation number 1. So it goes, I hear you knocking, A, and then back down to E. Back up to A, I hear you knocking, and then up to B. It does do from time to time. He goes a little bit further. He goes, which is literally pushing it 1 step further with the little finger, going from, in this instance, in the B position, going from the 11th fret, really pushing it, and then sliding our little finger up to the 12th fret, so you get the so that's the added bit if you want to. Right, variation number 2 of the chorus goes, I hear you knocking, but you can A, back to E. Then it does I hear you knocking, go back where you've been. So we got, instead of going back to the A, we do a F sharp, and then to the A, and then B. So take you through that variation number 2. So it goes I hear you knocking, A, and then down to E. The F sharp, I hear you knocking, then A, then up to B, and then it goes down, 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 which is a G. So one more time. So remember I said the F sharp is same as what we was doing for the A and the B, but we're going to be second position, that's all, which means first finger, second fret of the E, and third finger on the 4th fret of the A string. So, got it? So that's our F sharp. So, second variation of the chorus goes I hear you A, back down to E. Then we're going to go F sharp, then to A, then to B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. G. Then we're back to the verse again. Okay. So let me take you quickly through the chords that play behind the guitar solo, which is literally a straight mixture of the verse 1 and the second variation of the guitar of the chorus. It goes like this. So E, down, bong, yeah, bong, down, E, 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 E to the A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 1 more, E, F sharp, Chuck Berry, Huey Smith, up to the A and then to the B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. G. So there we have it. I Hear You Knocking by the great Dave Edmunds. How did we get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs that you would like me to show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click the like and subscribe button, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. I've been covering these 60s and 70s videos, so you've been so supportive of me, and I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who has previously liked and subscribed for me. Fantastic. So I'll see you in the next video, and until we meet again, take great care of yourselves. See you then. Bye bye.